my name is Sage. I'm an experience specialist for TV Premier Services, and today I'm going to show you how to tie-dye indoors without making a mess, so the cleanup will be super quick. Okay, so the first step that we have to do is put rubber bands on it so that it gets the crinkly tie-dye pattern. So I saw a couple things in my little instructional booklet that I was reading for tips. So one is you just twist it up like this, and I'll do it kind of this whole section, and then kind of, I don't know, I think it's pretty flexible. I should. I think I'm going for kind of an asymmetrical look, so I'm doing a bunch of different stuff all over. Okay, almost done. And then this one, I'll roll it up, and then we'll just dye the sides. That'll be kind of interesting looking. Okay, so that should create some interesting patterns. I also have this one all set up, so we'll look at how they turn out. So here's the setup to keep it really clean, because I'm just working on my kitchen counter and I don't want to dye it all green. So underneath these bags, I have 2 Aldi bags, or like 3 bags set out flat to kind of be an extra barrier. And then after we dye the stuff, we're going to want to let it sit for 6 to 8 hours is mine, but you might want to read the instructions on the kind of dye that you have. So I don't want to leave them out, so I'm going to tie them up in their own plastic bag. And I'm gonna dye them in here so I can just quickly tie it up like that. It's really quick. So now we get to do the fun part where we actually dye it. My friend and roommate Erin is actually following along off screen with us. So I have to get there. Okay, so already super messy, but we have our plastic bag, so it's okay. And then you just kind of squirt it all over the place. Cool. Anyway, I'll check back in with you once these are done, but squirt it all over. It's kind of like, okay, so I did all the dyeing, and now our work pays off because I can just tie it up into a little enclosed bag. And I did get a little bit of dye on my hands, but actually I didn't get any on the counter, and it was super clean overall. So stay tuned for how these turn out. I'll see you in 6 to 8 hours. All right, so I rinsed these off. This is the final end result. And both of these were kind of denim based. So it didn't soak in super well. This one will show up better once it's dry. But this turned into kind of a cool grunge looking denim shirt. And then these pants turned out a little cooler because they're lighter colored. So you can see that they're sort of, I don't know, tie-dyed, so I'm happy with the result. I'm gonna wait till these dry and then I'll try them.